Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Etsy Bestsellers using Forever Transfer Media. Today we are covering the topic of printed tote bags and what options you have. The reusable shopping bag trend is far from over. It is the ideal everyday companion for everyone that values sustainability and style. I'm going to show you how you can create popular tote bags that will make it to your top bestseller list on Etsy. Therefore, I chose Classic+Universal because it's easy to learn and simple to transfer. Classic+Universal is a media for white and light color textiles. It's available in DIN formats, tabloid, and letter size. First, you print your design with a CMYK laser printer on the right side of the media, using the printing settings included in the instructions. First, we set the press to 200 degrees Celsius and wait until the lower plate is heated through. Then we take our Classic+Universal with the printed design and cut it into size. Before I place it on the tote bag, I like to pre-press it to have an even surface. I then place the transfer media on the bag and press it for 15 seconds with very high pressure. When the time is up, we will immediately remove the transfer from the bag. Never take the product off the press before the transfer paper has been peeled off. For better washability, put a sheet of matte finish onto your design and press again for 10 seconds. So now I have a little business tip for you. If you want to pre-produce a specific design in stock, you can add personalizations on a smaller sheet afterwards. All you have to do is collect the personalizations of the day and print it on a Classic+Universal sheet. Now you can either place the personalization on top of the design or next to it. Let's have a look at the markets for tote bags and what you can print. Artwork, Halloween, family, holiday and memory, job and profession, school and kindergarten, popular patterns, and weddings. Many of you are probably wondering what you can charge for one tote bag. Let's have a look at our expenses. One tote bag was 95 cents. For a full surface A3 tote bag design, we're definitely under $1, which adds up to $1.95 for a finished bag. The average retail price is a stable $15, which leaves you with a profit of $13. Since so many of you have asked what is the difference between Classic+Universal and 5-Star Universal, here's a very simple example. If you have a textile that has a rough surface and larger stitches, you would use Forever 5-Star Universal. The same goes for polo and jeans. Five-Star Universal is a transfer paper that is suitable for the new generation of color copiers and color laser printers with a higher fusing temperature, as well as for machines with silicone oil fusing. Unlike Classic+Universal, this paper is used for coarse meshed textiles such as jeans and polo shirts. The parameters for both printing methods are the same, only that 5-Star Universal has to be transferred for 30 seconds. These are all the possibilities you have with a regular CMYK laser printer and Classic+Universal to sell successfully on Etsy. All the designs can be found on graphicbuddies.com starting September 1st. If you liked this video, please subscribe to our channel to never miss another video. See you in the next video. Bye.